Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about a new brand called Zero Day. Zero Day is a brand where Roblox cheats are reversed and then sold for cheaper than the original price. Now, both of the owners for both of these cheats are shitheads, so it's completely okay and this is moral. But if you want to be immune to any sort of reversal in the future, uh, there is a ticket you can open. Aside from that, um, that's not really relevant for most of the people watching this video. What is relevant is that these cheats are cracked and they are way cheaper than the original and way more affordable. And there will be more in the future. There will be executors, there will be externals, and any sort of modification for Roblox will be sold for 50 to 60% cheaper than the original price. Anyway, we're gonna open up this, and you're gonna have two folders. But if you're doing Matcha, we'll talk about Isabel in the next video. But for now, let's just do Matcha. Open up Matcha, and we see loader.exe, matcha.exe, and dependencies. The only thing you have to worry about here is the loader and matcha.exe. The dependencies is kind of irrelevant. Run the loader's administrator. That's very important. Make sure you're running it as an admin. You're gonna go ahead and type your key in. It's gonna download the assets. It's gonna say successfully mapped the driver. Go ahead and hit OK. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up Roblox. Once Roblox is open, join a game. We're going to join a base plate for testing purposes. Once the base plate is open, go ahead and open matcha.exe. It's going to work. Once it closes, go ahead, go into Roblox, and as you can see, click insert, and we have the cheat here perfectly and working. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through some of these features and just test them very fast. I won't waste too much time here. I'm going to turn on aimbot. There's prediction here, aimbot FOV. We're going to turn this on, turn it up a bit. There's smooth dots, trigger bot, lots of cool stuff here. Hitbox, pretty interesting stuff. We have silent aim options. I don't really use this. I've never used it. Apparently it's very good. We have visuals, multiple ESP options, glow, skeleton, you know the deal. We're going to turn on team check and off. You see some of the players on our team will not show up on the ESP. We can also turn on team check for aimbot. Anyway, going out to MISC, we have some pretty interesting stuff here. We have third-person camera in first-person games. It says it only works on some games. We have camera field of view, anti-fling, no clip, bunch of stuff, sit. Yeah. And we have speed. We're going to turn on speed just for testing. We have a jump, float, bunch of other stuff here as you can see. We're going to go to output, just outputs our logs. Going to go to options. We see some VSync, stream proof, auto rescan game. Interesting stuff here. Script viewer, we can see Roblox has this for more advanced people. And we have our player list, which will show us the list of players in the game. Anyway, let's get on to the actual feature showcase. So as we zoom in, if I hold right click, as you can see, the aimbot flicks to the head. And as I move around, it'll stay on his head. This works for all the characters, even him, you see? Very nice. Now for speed testing, we're going to click V. Whoops, I think I have to turn it up a bit. It would be to MISC, speed, yep, there we go. Now we're going to click V. And as you can see, we are very fast now. And the aimbot is locking on when I'm clicking right click, which is a bit unfortunate. But let's look. As you can see, the aimbot will still lock on, regardless of how fast you are going. Even though it does seem a bit glitchy because it's running at 60 frames. Pretty interesting. That'll be it for today's video. If you want to buy Zero Day, the link is in the description. And yes.